Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Today I would like to talk about my presentation, social media. But before that I want to introduce myself. My name is Faisal, I am 22 years old. I'm from Yemen but I live in Saudi Arabia, in Jeddah exactly. I came to India to improve my English language and continue my study life in university. First of all, social media. What is social media? Social media is a term used for web applications and websites that can aid people to connect with each other. Now, second point. How are you benefiting from social media? This question to all of you.
Without social media, we cannot connect with another in our city and outside.
I advertise about academy on social media.
Yes.
Okay,
I want to know about the work.
that's good. Okay, this is good benefit, but if you give me a good answer, but I will give you more advice and I will give you more benefit to benefit you. Okay. Now, third point, types of social media. Let's start with Twitter. Twitter is a free social networking site. It can help people to put short videos, known as tweets. Instagram is a photo or videos can sharing apps. WhatsApp, same Instagram, but it's a formal application. Can talk with your bosses, your family, your friends. But YouTube is a platform. You can put and create videos and upload it and share content. Advantages. First, learn faster. All of us know if you study in your own space, you will learn faster than you will go to university or your school, because you will focus only on your laptop or your teacher, and you will not spend more time. Because you will go to if you will go to school or university, you will spend more time, maybe 2 hours to reach your university. But if you study in your own space, you will benefit more and only for you. He will focus only on you. And for example, me, when I studied my programming language, I used YouTube and Instagram to search about JavaScript, PHP, and HTML. I benefit from this. I have a lot of experience on YouTube, and I talked with some teachers about this to improve my programming language on Java, on PHP, HTML. Get advice from experts. Experts can give useful advice and tips for all of us. For example, we have Arabian expert in English language. His name is Abdurrahman Hijazi. He is professional in English language. He can give us a lot of advice. He has maybe more than 7 million students. He teaches them. And all of us, I think we know them because we watched his videos all the day. Communication. Imagine that we don't have social media. How can we talk with our family and our friends? Without social media, we can't talk to our family because they are far from us. How can we do that? Imagine that something, if we don't have it, we will feel alone because we will not talk with our family, our friends. And thanks for who create the social media. Entertainment. We can enjoy in social media to watch funny videos and watch video games videos. Watch someone to play and you will laugh and enjoy with it. But you must do balance in your life. Like watch entertainment videos for 1 hour and 1 hour and a half for your study, what you want to improve your language, improve what you want to be. For example, if you want to be a doctor, you must watch medicine or treatment videos. Promotion. Now, if you have a product you want to sell it, you need to promote it in social media to attract people who wants to buy it. Because it will not sell it without anything. you need to do something to attract people to buy it. Awareness. Now, most of students and children are affects it in negatively way, because that you need to aware your time, and you need to set how much time you will spend on your phone. Maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. But for children, you need to take care of them, because their vision will be damaged, and they posture, because it will not be like this, it will be like this. Because that you need to focus on them and take care of them. If you don't take care of them, your vision will be damaged, and you will news. All of us know, if you want to know all the news around the world about India, Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Yemen, you just need put some what you want to search in Twitter and Google, and you will find the information about it, and it's real, not fake. Disadvantages: addiction and waste time. All of us, we know, if we use TikTok, for example, we use one video for 1 minute, but if we use it, we will not feel it, and we will use 200 video, and we will spend 2 hours, 3 hours, we will not feel it. But after that, we will say, oh, we waste all of the time on TikTok. We don't benefit for our day, only for entertainment. No serious in your life, no study, no, you will not do something good for you, only for enjoy. And this is not good for everyone. Privacy issue. Some people will use your photo with something bad, to use it, like for example, he will use your face and put it in somebody, like in woman body, and he will share it and make you feel embarrassed, or make you feel bad because that. And someone will take your photo to use it for him, like, because if you are handsome, he will use your photo for the girl and send it like his. And this something behavior bad. Health problems. I talked about this before. If you use it, for example, now I wear glasses, and because I use my phone for a long time in one day, and it's near to me, because that I wear glasses, and I feel bad because some people weren't wear glasses, and the vision is good, and my picture sometimes like this, not like this, because I use the social media more the time. Fraud and hacking. This the worst thing for all of us, because maybe someone will take our special personal information and take it, like banking details. If he takes this, he will use your money, and you will lose it. Also, your information, maybe he will use it for him, and he will give you problems when he use it. That's something bad. Relationship issue. For me, this big problem, because maybe a lot of people do it, and they know it's fake relationship, but they do it because they enjoy, they feel in love and like this. But I want them to focus on their family and their friends, because the family only will be with you all your life. Don't be in a relationship fake. Just be with your family. Don't waste your time with another one. Be with your family. This is the important thing. How to use social media for good? Learn through apps. Now we have Instagram, YouTube. On Instagram, we have a lot of accounts. You can follow it and see for English language. We have the Rahman Hijazi. We have a lot of people. And YouTube, we have a lot of channels. You can subscribe on it and search about it. What you want to be, doctor, you want to be mechanical, all of this. You can search it. Use it for communication with family and friends. I talked about this before. Imagine we don't have social media. What can we do? For me, I will feel alone. I will feel alone because my family is far from me, and I want to talk with them. How can I talk with them? Now I feel alone. I want to go with them, to be with them all my life, because I missed them so much. Because that's we need to thank who created this social media. In conclusion, uh, every tool has advantages and disadvantages. Like it's like a knife. You can use it to cut anything you want, or you can cut yourself. And I have more advice to all of you to use it wisely and don't let it control you. Be careful, and if it control you, you will feel like you are a ghost. Look, you are human because you have mind, you have heart. Let it control you. Don't let the social media control you. Any questions? Any questions?